Today we are going to be unboxing Gramma In A Box, and if you want to know more about it, stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. Anyhow, Gramma In A Box. What is it? If you have been around my channel for a while, we have unboxed Gramma In A Box several times. It is a food subscription box from a Grandma Terry, and she sends you 3 treats a month, and you get to make the treats from scratch, kind of. Each month is cookies. The cookies are made for you. All you have to do is decorate them. There's a lot of times pretzels that you dip in chocolate. The first 2 projects you do usually involve some sort of melted candy coating, and then the third one is your cookies. This time around, she put it in a mailer. Usually it comes just in the box, and she always puts super cute stickers on the box. This egg here is like raised up from the package. It's like a 3D one. So anyhow, it costs $20 a month. Shipping is free. This box is heavy, man. Let's see what else. You get 20 different snacks. So altogether, when it's all said and done, you'll have about 20 different treats. And each month is themed. Oh my goodness, Grandma Terry comes up with some of the best themes, y'all. Like, this month is probably going to be Easter. I think the last one we did was January's, and that was all about 2020 and the New Year. The one before that, I think, was December's, and that was Christmas themed. Aw, her box got dinged a little bit. This looks like a different box, though. This one's a darker red than our other ones. Isn't that so cute? I love Grandma Terry's box. So cute, and it has a picture of Grandma in the box. So, if you decide to auto debit, so it automatically comes out each month, then your first box is only $10. I believe she still has that promotion going. When we open up, oh no! Stuff's falling out already. Okay, let's start with the cards on the top. This box theme is Spring Chicks and April Bunny, and Bunnies. The first card says Spring Chicks and April Bunnies. That is the theme of this box. And if you want to order May's box, order before May 3rd. Then on the back has the contents of the box. This first, oh how precious. This first project is called Candy Corn Flowers, and that's what they're going to look like. Super cute. It has all the instructions on how to make them on the front. Then on the back lists all the ingredients for all the items used. The second project is Crunchy Bird Nests, and that one looks super cute too. Look at that. The third one is Spring Cookie Decorating. And there's a picture of some of the cookies. It's just super cute. So I love how each card has the instructions and then the ingredients on them. And she does pretty much provide everything you're going to need except things like a bowl, microwave, scissors, just, you know, things that you typically would have around the house. And it is all jam-packed in here, looking like spring. Looks beautiful. Oh, I love the pastel icings. Okay, let's start off with our melting chocolate. Looks like we have some chocolate and then a little bit of white and yellow in there. Those are pretty. Not pretty. They are a little soft from being out in the warm sun. So I think come summertime they would be melted. But you know what? That's okay if you are going to use them that day because you have to melt them anyhow. One time last year she did send like some white chocolate shaped seashells, and sadly they melted together, and we did put them straight into the fridge, but when we tried to pull them apart they just broke and stuck to each other. So as a decoration it didn't work, but for something like this where you are just going to be melting it anyhow, then I see nothing wrong with having it slightly melted. And this is going to be for our first two projects. Then we have what looks like corn flakes here, and this is going to be for our crunchy bird nests. Oh. Look how pretty these are. I don't think I've ever seen spring colored candy corn. Am I just like a blind when I'm going to the store looking for Easter candy? Because I don't remember ever seeing these. Is it a specialty order type of thing? Am I weird? I like candy corn. I know a lot of people don't like candy corn, but I like it. It can't be in the house because I eat it all, and I'm trying not to eat much sugar. 0 to no sugar today, right now. And then in this last container we have pretzels, we have M&Ms, and we have jelly beans. They're all mixed together. The pretzels and M&Ms are used for the candy flowers. The jelly beans are used for the nests. And then we have our sprinkles and our colored sugars. They look like little containers of them, and really, in reality, they are teeny tiny. But we always have tons left over, and I have a container in the cupboard where I put all of our extra sprinkles, and we use them when we make cookies or cakes or anything else. So these are super cute. I love the colors this month. Ooh. Here are our cookies. It looks like we only have two different kinds of cookies this month. Let's see. Okay, next we have our cookies, and it looks like we only have three different kinds of cookies instead of 4. So usually they come in 4 in a pack, and then each pack has 2 of each kind. But this pack has 4 egg cookies in it. And then this pack has 2 chick cookies. How cute. And then 2 bunny cookies. Decorating the cookies and eating the cookies are always my daughter's favorite thing. She loves the cookies. And then we have the most beautiful, it's gooey all over the place, pastel frostings. These are just beautiful. I'm in love with the colors. Gorgeous, perfect for spring. Last but not least, Grandma Terry always provides wax paper, and if you see when my daughter and I do it, I put it down over the table, and I put one down, especially where my daughter is, definitely for things like this. And the frosting usually is the messiest. Sometimes the melted chocolates can get all over the place, but I put that down kind of as a placemat. And then there's 2 pieces. I put the second one right next to her, and that's where all of our finished products of things go. So once we're done making it, we put it on that one to let them cool and harden or set up. And it works out beautifully because I have the one where they can just sit till they're finalized and done, and then where my daughter is and the mess she's making, once she's done, I can just grab it all up and toss it in the trash, and my table is nice and clean. So I love that Grandma Terry sends these in here. They're absolutely wonderful.
This is the first project, candy corn flowers.
So do you know what we have to do?
Yes. I want your help.
Okay. So we're going to take a pretzel ring and put a spoonful of chocolate in the middle of it. And then you take 5 candy corns, put them around the edge.
3, 4, 5.
And those are going to be our
flour. Now for project number 2, Crunchy Bird's Nest. We'll need melted chocolate and these, so we are going to put these in the melted chocolate. Our third project is spring cookie decorating. So we have 4 eggs, 2 birdies, and 2 bunnies. I am going to do an egg. What are you going to do?
I think I'm going to start with the little bird. Just finished up, and this is our project number 1. They are hard and set. Usually by the time we're done with the cookies, the chocolate projects have set, which doesn't take us very long. I think we've been working on this for 30 minutes altogether, maybe 45. So not very long for us to do it when I'm helping. We got 6 little flowers, and then we did project number 2. We were supposed to get 6 little nests, but our 6th one ended up being super tiny. So I don't know if we made our other 5 nests just a little too big, or if, I'm assuming that's what we did. We just made it a little too big because the container was full of the cornflakes. Easter bunnies, our chicks, and that is all of them. Which ones were your favorite this month?
The eggs.
The eggs?
Yeah.
So you're switching it up, not the cookies this month?
Yes.
Why?
The eggs are like made out of jelly beans.
So that's why they're your favorite? They were fun to make, weren't they?
Right.
And what about the frosting? The frosting was a little messy and runny this time.
Right.
It was, I don't know if, it was really thick when I started and I had to knead it up. And I don't know if just the warmth of me kneading it made it too runny, but they definitely ran all over the place and got kind of messy, huh?
Right.
All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.